Hi everyone. I wanted to welcome you to week one and also to say a little bit about what to expect during this first week. So all of our course takes place through Zoom and through Canvas, which is what you're seeing here. What you'll want to do every week or perhaps every day is log into Canvas, click on Our Class. All of your classes should appear in Canvas, and then you'll click on Our Class, and it should take you to our homepage. This is what our homepage looks like. This is just for one section, so if this isn't your section, this is just an example. Read through the homepage. It gives you a lot of information about the class. And then most of the class is going to take place through modules, and you could just click on modules and go right there. Modules is where we will do everything in this class. Aside from Zoom or email, you shouldn't have to go anywhere else in the class except to the module. So this is our welcome module. It lasts for a week. And because this is an online class with no face-to-face time, you'll need to move through the modules independently on your own. So that I know that can feel a little bit weird. But this week you're going to start here. Oops, you're going to start here in our welcome module. And you'll start with a little bit about me. It just tells you a little bit about me. You'll see my welcome video. Also wearing glasses and in a dark room because it's early in the morning and I have a young child who's asleep. And then at the bottom of the modules, it's not showing up on my page, but you'll see a button that says Next. And then you can just click on the next module, and it'll just naturally lead you through. What you'll notice is that towards the end of the week, you'll start to see a move towards assignment. So this is our first week. There's all this stuff to read and things to explore. And then here it says, Welcome to English 122 Meet and Greet, Welcome Quiz, Use Hypothesis to Annotate our Syllabus, and Weekly Check-in number 1. Those are all assignments that I'm going to be asking you to do this week. Some of them by Friday and some of them by Sunday night. In general, our assignments will be due at 11 p.m. And then the date will be specified in the assignment. So this week you're going to read through the course, read through the modules, and then probably by Wednesday you should be getting to these assignments. Welcome to English 122 Meet and Greet is a discussion. You'll just click on this, it'll lead you to the discussion. You'll join a group for this discussion. And then there's a prompt. It tells you what to do. It tells you what I want you to post. And then there's a second part that asks you to respond to other people's posts. And I will put a sample post in here. I haven't done it yet. After the discussion, there's a quiz. This is kind of about the syllabus, about the important course policies. So you'll take the quiz. I'll just show you the quiz here really quickly. 10 points. Okay. And then after the quiz, you're going to do a little bit of annotating in a special program called Hypothesis. I have not used Hypothesis, but it looks easy to use. So this is an experiment. We're going to try it. If you have a little bit of trouble, that's okay. We're just all trying to figure out how this is going to work. So here it is. There's some instructions in here. You're going to open Hypothesis. There's even a little place to open it. So that's that should hopefully it'll be easy, not too stressful. And then after you've annotated, there's a weekly check-in. I'm asking everybody to check in with me once a week. If you're in my 122L class, you'll be checking in with me via Zoom in small groups once a week. If you're in 122, I'm asking you to send me a text message, there's my phone number, an email, or you can email me through Canvas, or you can send me a voice memo to my phone, just checking in. And each check-in will have a different theme. In this first one, you're going to tell me something you're looking forward to and one question that you have that isn't in our syllabus or in the welcome module. Okay, and then I put a little sample here. Okay, so that's what's happening this week. I look forward to meeting everyone. Please don't hesitate to email me. I know this can be a little bit strange, but we'll just do this together. We'll muddle through together, and I'm encouraging you to just jump in and get your feet wet. And remember that I am always here to help you. Okay.